Team 69. Alright, he'll start it when you start, but make sure he's watching.
Okay? Whenever you move, I'm going to start. Middle wall.
Other way. Forward. You don't touch it. Oh.
No!
Here's 1, 2.
It doesn't matter. It's the only thing 5 points.
Okay.
4.
You need a sight. You need a Macadam drive on that thing.
Yeah. Mac, that's what we need. We need to make Macadam in miniature for next year. Dude, that'd be so cool.
They sell those wheels. We can do that.
But wait, that means we need twice as many motors, Mac.
Very good.
That'll be 5.
5 points. Ease her forward. Turn your motors on. There you go. Other way. You were right. You were right. You were right. Ooh.
Just go forward. Try raising the arm just a little bit. You're scraping it. There you go.
Drop her down a little bit.
Other way.
Other way. There you go. There you go. Get in there. Perfect.
There you go.
You got her.
Raise it up. There you go. You got it.
Okay, drive.
Run.
Run.
Drive, run, push.
Forward.
Charge.
Alright, nice job.
Or the middle one, either one.
Let's try it. No further.
Small is more, middle is easier, big is easiest.
Yeah, this is 10, 5, and 2.
Let's go for 5.
Okay, lower the
Okay, spin it out. No.
Just don't knock it over.
Yeah, you can go down a little lower and inch it forward. Just don't knock over the wall. Yeah. Okay. Go over to the autonomous.
Is that the time?
Yeah, you're at time.
Okay, just pick. You can pick it up and take it over if you want.
Make sure you lift up the claw before you start. There you go. So just follow it.
Left, right, left.
They're driving it. Good job. 10 teams.
How much is the middle?
They got 10
Okay.
total.
You guys from?